Viewers, welcome back to my channel Grammar Tales. Learn English Grammar with Krish. In the previous video, we had learned about parts of speech, the first part that is nouns and its various classifications. We had learned about proper noun, common noun and collective noun with some of their examples. Now the remaining two nouns are abstract noun and material noun. So we will see one by one what is abstract noun and what is material noun. First of all, let us go to the definition. Abstract noun. So what is the meaning of abstract? Abstract is something that we cannot see, touch, smell, taste or hear. It is something which we cannot perceive with our five senses. So friends, let us go through this definition once again. What is abstract noun? Nouns which we cannot see, touch, feel, hear or taste. It is something to be perceived. So, to be more clear about this noun, let us go through some examples. So, these are the examples. What are these? Honesty, beauty, bravery, wisdom, stupidity, brightness, etc. So what are the examples? Let us see once again. Examples are honesty, beauty, bravery, wisdom, stupidity, brightness, etc. So these nouns, that is abstract nouns, also tells about our action and the state we are in. Okay, so let us see what are these. Let us see what action it depicts. Okay, so action is judgment, movement, hatred, theft, etc. So this comes under action. And what is the next one? That is state. Childhood, boyhood, youth, death, poverty, slavery, sickness, sleep, etc. So, I hope you are clear what abstract noun means. These are the nouns which we cannot see, feel, taste, hear or touch. We cannot perceive them with our five senses. Okay, these are abstract, that is intangible. We cannot touch them, but this is something which depicts our quality like honesty, beauty, bravery, wisdom, stupidity, etc. Also our actions, that is what? Judgment, movement, laughter, hatred, theft, etc. And also it depicts the state, that is childhood, boyhood, youth, death, poverty, slavery, sickness, sleep, etc. I hope I am clear with this part. Now, let us go to the last classification of noun, that is material noun. So, a very simple definition of material noun would be what? Nouns or names which depicts materialistic things, like name of material, substance or ingredient of something. So, let me write the definition first. So, what is material noun? It is the name of material, substance or ingredient of something. Now, let us give some examples for this as well. So, we will become very clear what is material noun. Alright. So, materials like iron, steel, gold, coal, silver, milk, tea, sugar, wheat, etc. You can think of hundreds of other materials which are non-living things. These will all come under the material noun. So my dear friends, I hope I am clear with this classification of nouns, and I hope I'll be able to help you further when I will be giving you some exercises also for this, so that we can further clear our concepts. So this is all for today's video. Thank you.